Here's some big news coming in. Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan hits out at detractors after the state becomes India's COVID hotbed. Says if Kerala model is wrong, which one should the state adopt? Some sections are trying to create fear among the people by portraying the high numbers during second wave as a cause of concern. The most effective defense against the pandemic is complete vaccination, and it's the responsibility of the centre to ensure their availability. This is what Pinarayi Vijayan says. Pinarayi Vijayan also highlights that no one had died in Kerala due to lack of oxygen. No person was deprived of essential medical aid or a bed. This is Pinarayi Vijayan hitting out at all the criticism coming in the way of Kerala owing to the rise in COVID-19 cases. As Kerala now becomes a hotbed of COVID-19, Pinarayi Vijayan there's making a statement saying some sections trying to give out a wrong picture of Kerala. Gopi Krishnanithan joining us for more on that. Gopi, over to you. Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan now making in fact, defiant and hitting out at all those critics for allegedly portraying a picture of Kerala. Says, if Kerala model is wrong, then what is right?
Well, exactly, Nabila, because that is one of the most important questions being posed by Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan in an article. So he was actually, this isn't actually part of a speech or a press conference that Pinarayi Vijayan has done. This is actually part of an article that he had written for Chinda, a magazine which is affiliated to the CPIM in Kerala. In that article, there is a section which mentions about the COVID-19 situation in the state. And in that, he is actually criticizing his critics because he is questioning the critics by asking some questions like, if the Kerala model is failing, then which is the model that needs to be adopted? He is also going on to explain the actual situation in Kerala by mentioning some of the facts, including the actual test positivity rate and the daily caseload, and the fact that Kerala is a state with high population density. So these are actually some of the points the Chief Minister is pointing out, and also he's pointing fingers at the center. In one sentence, he's actually saying that the only possible prevention or the cure from this COVID-19 is to have proper vaccination. With the center taking the responsibility of providing vaccine, then why is that point not looked upon is what Chief Minister is asking. So certainly a very sharp response from Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan against critics. He is also going on to say that there is some sections of the people which is trying to create unrest in Kerala, which is trying to portray Kerala in a very wrong image, and this criticism just goes on and on and on.
Well, Gopi, thank you very much for joining us with those details. We do know that Kerala has now touched at least the 30,000 mark in just the last 24 hours. People are worried about the crisis in Kerala, but here you have the Chief Minister defiant, saying that this is a wrong image being painted. None have died in Kerala due to lack of oxygen or lack of beds. Therefore, they're on the right track, according to the CM.